Hi guys, this is Tony. Here we are at Banister Lane, catching Amtrak Texas vehicle 21 over here. And we got a ride train that will be leaving Gilmore after this guy goes by. There's a train in Kyle, but I don't think I have time for that. So, due to how late it is right now. So sorry about that, but yes. Yeah, 21 will be is about to pull in, so these gates are about to roll down. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Here we come. Amtrak's coming. Oh. Here we go. Here comes Amtrak Texas vehicle 21, you guys. Yep. There goes the southbound Amtrak Texas vehicle 21 leading 53 with those 5 super line cars. Stay tuned for the Union Pacific ride train that'll be coming by. If I missed the call train that has something special, sorry about that, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.